Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around.
So there's a good bit of weeds out here. These are arrowheads here, local. They're a native plant. Like I said, there's a bunch of random junk out here. Need to get cleaned up in a bad way. Oh yeah. We'll get in here and start tearing it up. I'm just pushing on through here. I need to actually come out and pick stuff up that I don't want to foul up out here. But this stuff right here looks super tall, super dense, and it's pretty thin actually. You just pop it. Tractor just pushes right through it. I got a lot to pull around in here though. So there's my little path. I've been drive through here and I've just been taking it all. So there was one pass, two passes, three passes. Some of that stuff falls off. You just kind of gotta come back through, clean her on up. I've got this kind of opened up a little bit. A couple passes through there. There's a fence back over there. So, like I said, you just drive through here with the bucket, push this junk out of the way, and it'd be real nice to have a cab tractor with the AC ripping right now. I think it's already about 97 out. So once it hits about 105, I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. I'll be back tomorrow morning, finish her up. You probably can't hear me very well, but here's how we do this. We get in position, set your bucket, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches off the ground, and you just start driving. And you turn out, and you just start building yourself a wall, box yourself in real good light. Just like that. Come on, man. Water's fine. Just keep working until you get through what you're trying to get through. Tree I pulled out earlier. Back through that. Get off that bucket. Like I said, you just keep wiping it away and you'll get to the fence line. This tree's got to come out. Oh yeah. So I'm just picking away at this stuff. It's a hot day. I was told this was the hottest day they've had in a few months. It's already about 1:08. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. But just watching out for some rattler snakes to be out here. But you just put that bucket about 5 inches off the ground. And I keep it at a nice little slant about like that. Start pushing through this junk. There's these weeds here all the way into that corner. I got this fence line cleaned out over to that corner. 2 small little piles left to get. Then I got this I haven't even got into yet. Pushed a little bit through here. I was just trying to open things up so I can drive. Hard to drive. And then there's some dirt mounds, need some leveling. But there's a lot of stuff like wood and these little mounds. So get this cleaned up. I'm in here knocking this tree out, pulling it and throwing it. My buddy was kind enough to bring this old, well, I think it's a 7K, little baby thing. But she works good. They salt cedar. They don't grow a root like a pine tree, so burning a little bit, popping these things out. So I've got all the trees that we're gonna drop dropped, and it's the only one that's not is that pine and that Palo Verde over there, junk. This line right here, I guess I hit it on something and it was leaking a little bit, so I just had to top off the oil because I didn't realize it was leaking. It was at the add line, so went ahead and added some oil to it. You can see it's all nice and oily in there, but I didn't know the thing was leaking, so she's tight now and ready to go. Get this thing cleaned up. What you think, old boy?
Pretty nice.
Huh?
It's getting there.
Give it hell. Spread some AB on this driveway. Knock down the edges, you can see this tie right here. So I've got this property all done, other than that little section of salt cedars there and salt cedars there. Some salt cedar tree right here. It's all knocked down. We're not gonna level it because this tractor actually sucks at trying to level anything out. So we got another tractor we're just gonna bring in here real quick. But I'm trying to get a rake for this tractor though, that we can get in here and just run the rake around and get all these sticks picked up. And once everything's cleaned up, then we'll come in, finish level it, probably get I don't know, 4 dump truck loads of AB in here, spread it all around. There's some AB over there, more so a little bit of AB, but you get some road mix in here. This stuff's sandy or dusty. It's just powder dust, you know. It rained last night here, so that's why it's all cooked down right now, so that's good. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get this thing loaded up here on a truck and trailer, and we'll roll on to the next one.